35. No, 35. This one. Yeah.
Here?
No, 35. This one is true. Yeah, double
I
click
can't see
that one.
because I can't see. So
Make double click. Okay, now normal.
done.
Okay.
Hello, good day to everyone. So since the plant is running in full capacity, so before we execute in checking and replacing the switch for the low pressure alarm switch, we must override first the low pressure trip switch for safety reasons, so that we will not disturb the plant, because now the plant is running normal. So now we already opened the cover, so that's the switch that we are going to replace. Okay, so just loosen this screw so to remove this switch assembly. Okay guys, so this is our switch that giving a false signal. So now we have this new assembly of pressure switch. So this is the one that we are going to install. But before going to install this one, we will check first. So for open contact 7.4 and for close contact 3.2. Okay guys, so we found that this one is working. So we are going to install now this new switch. So it's already installed, and now we will set to the original setting at 4.5. Okay, so that's it guys, how to replace a pressure switch. So here's the procedure to override the switch. First, open the e-loop, then open a file for the ammonia plant, then open the file for synoptic panel AS2, then open the override switch. Okay, for switch. After you open the override switch, then you override the switch number.